What up, people? How we doing today? I hope good. Today we need to talk about evaluating functions. Evaluate. So when we see the term evaluate, what does that mean? Well, that actually means to solve. So we're looking for a numerical answer. So we're trying to get a number. Okay? So we were talking a little bit about domain and range. Domain is our input. It's our independent variable, right? Which is usually our x, okay? And our y value is our dependent variable. It's our output. It's what we're getting out. And so when we take a look at evaluating functions, we're usually given some type of function. So for example, we'll be given something like y equals negative 5x plus 2. And then what it'll say is, well, we need to evaluate for when x is equal to, let's say, 2 and x equals negative 4. So what this means is basically we're just going to take our x, our input, our domain, and we plug it in where we see x. And then we're going to try to figure out what an output will be. So for us, it'll be y equals negative 5 parentheses 2 plus 2. We will solve this and we will get y equals negative 10 plus 2, which is equal to negative 8. So what this tells me is that when x is 2, y is negative 8. Therefore, our coordinate would be 2 comma negative 8. That'd be our relation, okay? We can do the same thing with negative 4. So we would write y equals negative 5 parentheses negative 4 plus 2. Remember that anytime we plug anything in, we have to put parentheses around it. It's important. So this will be y equals 20 plus 2, which will equal 22. So that means that when x is negative 4, y is going to be 22. And we can represent these in tables, right? We can represent them in graphs. We can represent them in mapping. So it's important to realize what evaluate means, which means we are solving for a particular number. All right, guys, have a good one.